What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys your Monday motivation just like every single Monday. I'm here today to get you guys in the right mood, excited, enthusiastic, and ready to attack another week. So in today's video, get out of your comfort zone. That is the message for today's Monday motivation. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down why you need to get out of your comfort zone, how you can get out of your comfort zone, and exactly what you should be doing to push yourself closer to success going forward. So before we dive into all that, let's just get a few things out of the way. Make sure you guys drop that thumbs up, hit the like button please. It does help with YouTube algorithm. It does help with me understanding a little bit more about what you guys like to see. Also make sure you guys comment, let me know your thoughts on the video. As always, just make sure to fill up the comment section, blow the comment section up. Even if it's just for the algorithm, comment twice, comment 3 times, comment 4 times. Get out of your comfort zone and comment 6 times. It's up to you, but just comment. In addition, make sure to share these videos with your friends. Get them out their comfort zones this week, help them push closer to success. And lastly but not least, hit the beautiful red button below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. But now for your motivation message. Get out of your comfort zone. So let me just give you guys an idea of a few things which I've realized, I've come to hear, over the past few years. And it kind of confused me when it comes to people getting out of their comfort zone. I can't begin to tell you guys the amount of people that I know that want to become professional athletes, but they don't want to get sore muscles. People that want to be successful in the stock market, but because they live on the West Coast, they don't want to get up past 7 or 8 a.m. People that want to become skinnier, healthier, fitter, but don't want to eat specific types of foods or drink certain types of drinks. People who want to start hitting the gym and becoming a bit more active, but because they work the whole day and they're busy the whole day, don't want to wake up a little bit early in the morning just to hit the gym. In all these examples, there's something in common here. People don't want to do this, and yes, you notice the excuses, but they don't want to get out of their comfort zone. They don't want to go to the gym 3, 4 times, 5 times in a week and have their muscles a little bit sore and also have to practice. They don't want to get up early to trade because they don't like getting up early. They've never done that before. They don't want to go and hit the gym or start running or do anything which is going to help them become a bit fitter. They don't want to eat specific types of foods, again, because they've not done that before. They're not used to that. They don't want to do things which they're not used to doing. They're comfortable. They don't want to get out of their comfort zone. Well, let me tell you this. Anybody who's successful would have got out of their comfort zone at some point, and they would have learned to get out of their comfort zone and continue to grow because they've been outside their comfort zone. Let me tell you something else. If you do want to be successful, if you do want to achieve something, whether that's in your schoolwork, whether that's at your job, whether that's in your personal life, your personal goals, whether that's to do with your health, your body, your mind, your soul, any of that kind of stuff, you're going to have to get out of your comfort zone at some point in order to grow. There are far too many people out there who just want to sit comfy and not change what they've done purely because they're used to doing it. There are too many people out there, again, who will say, I'm not getting up early to go to the gym because I don't like getting up early. I'm not a morning person. Okay, well, you know your whole day is full. You know that you don't have time to go to the gym. If you need to get up 1 hour earlier, 2 hours earlier, purely to hit the gym, but you don't want to because it's just not something you do, you're too comfortable. When you start trying things out, when you start doing new things, it's not gonna be easy. Of course it's not gonna be easy. If it was gonna be easy, then you would do it, of course. But there's a reason you don't do it, and it's because it's not easy. So what I'm getting at here is, I'm trying to explain to you guys that if you do wanna grow, you don't want to be successful, you don't want to achieve certain specific goals, targets, accomplishments, you're going to have to get used to getting out of your comfort zone. I mean, let's take my YouTube channel, for example. Do you guys think I enjoyed, recording my face, talking over videos? Do you guys think I enjoyed being in front of the camera, speaking about specific subjects? Of course not. But that's how I started out. And in order to help my channel grow, in order to help me grow as a person, as a YouTuber, become better, I had to get in front of the camera. I had to do it repeatedly. I had to wake up at horrible times. I had to, start recording videos at weird times. I had to do things which people weren't used to seeing. I had to do things which I wasn't used to doing. That is part of getting out of your comfort zone. We get out of our comfort zone to help us grow. If you do want to achieve something, again, in your schoolwork, in your personal goals, in your personal life, in the stock market, you're going to have to start getting uncomfortable. I know enough people who don't want to lose money, who don't want to download an app or open an account because you're scared or you're not used to it or you've never done that before. How are you going to actually trade and make money in the stock market if you don't actually experience trading and making money in the stock market? It's quite confusing to me because all of you guys out there know that if you want to do something and you want to improve at something, well, you actually have to do that thing. There's no way you're going to improve at something without actually doing it. I mean, you can sit and hope, but that's not really going to get you very far. Again, this goes for anything. If you want to lose weight, if you want to start going to the gym, if you want to make money in the stock market, if you want to become a better person, if you want to complete tasks at school, if you want to get a raise at work, get a promotion at work, you're going to have to start growing. How do you grow? Getting outside your comfort zone. The same way you start a new job and you won't always know what is what. You'll come from a different industry or you come from a different company you've moved position within the same company, you don't always know what's what. And if you do want to achieve certain things there, you do want to make stuff happen and actually start progressing along your journey, you're going to have to get uncomfortable, get out of your comfort zone. There's going to be scenarios where you're like, I'm not really sure what to do here. And then you're like, okay, I've got decisions to make. Either I ask people, which I don't really like doing, getting out of my comfort zone, or I try something which I've not tried before. Maybe I start, researching a certain method. It doesn't matter. There's so many different scenarios like that where you're going to have to get your comfort zone. And you might fail, you might get something wrong, you might do something and people laugh at you, or you might do something you look back on in 6 months and say, why would I ever do that? But that's all part of you growing as a person. If you can look back and say, yeah, why did I do that back then? Or, why didn't I know this back then? That's fine. That means you've grown. If you stay in your shell and say, actually, I'm not really going to do this. I'm a bit worried. I'm a bit hesitant. I'm a bit uncertain here. I'm not going to do this. You're not growing. You're not moving forward. And overall, that means you're not progressing closer to what you want to achieve. Why do people decide that they want to achieve a target? They've got a certain goal that they want to meet, but they're not going to push towards that certain goal when things get difficult? Why is it only the good times when things are going great that we continue to thrive and continue to push for our goals and dreams? Why is it on the hard days when we're not motivated, when we're feeling down, when we're feeling a bit worried, when we're feeling a bit stressed, when we're not really ready to attack a goal, that we decide, yeah, I'm going to sit back and let this slide. I'm not going to go for it. All of that is because you're comfortable. And again, it's not going to help you arrive at your destination that you're trying to get to. You have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. I know you guys have heard this multiple times, and if you haven't, well, you've heard it now. You have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. So what that means is learn to get out of your comfort zone and learn to do that continuously. And in those times, start to understand that when you don't feel good, it's all part of the process. When you don't feel comfortable, when you don't feel like this is usual for you, it's unnatural, it's not what you like to do, you're doing something right. And once you get used to that feeling, doing things which you're like, why am I doing this? Like, do I really have to do this? When you get used to that feeling, you should know at that point, hold on, I'm starting to grow. There should be a bell that goes off in your mind saying, yes, this is actually what I need to be doing. Again, this goes for so many different industries, because I know people who watch these videos are from all different kind of industries. They're all on different journeys. If you're making YouTube videos and you're trying to do entertainment, trying to do comedy, and you have to do a few embarrassing things, guess what? Some days you're going to say, why am I really doing this? Do I really need to do this? I don't really want to do this kind of prank. I don't really want to kind of say this on camera. I don't really want to do this, but I know I need to do it because it's going to help me become a better actor. It's going to help me gain more traction. It's going to help me become funny. It's going to help me draw in the right crowds. That's all a part of being uncomfortable. Do you think there's any successful person out there, one single successful person out there who got to where they're at right now, where you would like to be, without doing the uncomfortable things? Do you think there's one single one of them? Not a chance. They all did some uncomfortable things, and I guarantee you that most of them all got comfortable with being uncomfortable. You got to get out of your comfort zone. And I want that to start today. For all of you out there, there's nothing more I'd love for you guys to go and do something that you know you've been putting off, or you know that you don't really want to do, but it's going to help you. There's absolutely nothing more I'd love than for all of you guys to go and do something like that today. Whether that's waking up a little bit earlier or a couple hours earlier to do something that you don't usually do, whether that's to go sleep a bit later, whether that's to put yourself out there to promote yourself, to message that guy or girl, to put yourself out there, or I don't know what it could be. There are so many different possibilities, there's so many different variations for you guys because you're all on different journeys here. For some of you out there, and I'm sure there are some of you out there, it could just be picking up your phone or your camera and making that first YouTube video. And maybe it will be a bit scary, maybe it will be a bit difficult. But if you do feel that feeling, like I mentioned, you're doing something right. You're on the right path. I think we can all agree that on our journey to achieving our personal goals, there's going to be testing times. There's going to be times where we're like, I don't really want to do this. But deep down, you know, yes, you who's watching this, you know that you have to do it in order to progress, in order to get to the desired goal, in order to make things happen. And again, once again, if you're not doing those things, you're not growing. If you want to maximize your potential, you want to become the best version of yourself, you're going to have to do those things. And you know, the more you do those things, the quicker you'll make progress. And I honestly think the more you do those things, the longer your success will be. Of course, it's up to you what you do when you finally get to the top or when you get to your desired goal. But I feel like the longer you do those things, getting out of your comfort zone, the more progress you'll make, the more you'll start to see results, the more you'll start to see longevity in your successful journey, the more you will actually be able to reap the seeds you sow and maximize your full potential. I think a lot of you out there know what I'm talking about today. A lot of you guys definitely felt this message. but it's time to get out your comfort zone. And if you've been out your comfort zone for a while, but you crept back into your comfort zone, it's time to get out your comfort zone again. If you've never been out your comfort zone, you've got a rude awakening coming to you guys. It's time to get out your comfort zone. This week, today, in fact, right now when you're watching this video, it's time to get out your comfort zone. Whatever it is that you may need to do, start doing it now. Start doing it today. Don't wait anymore, don't hesitate. Get out of your comfort zone and start making progress to being the best version of yourself. So I hope you guys did enjoy the topic, the discussion, today's money motivation. I hope you guys also make sure to get out of your comfort zone. You know, my aim on this channel is to help you guys become better each and every day, in whatever form that may be. And with these money motivations, I'm always trying to help you guys push closer to the best version of yourself, trying to push you guys close to your goals and dreams, help you guys get on the right path to achieving what you'd like to see. And hopefully with today's video, I've helped you do that in some form. If I did help you guys do that, then of course, again, hit the like button and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys go check out all those links. If you'd like to buy a watch or check out my smartwatches, go check out timegatewatches.com, link in the description. That very first link in the description is a link to my stock option starter pack that will help you get out of your comfort zone when it comes to investing in the stock market and trading stocks. Also, make sure you guys check out the free Discord we have, which talks about stocks, which I go over stocks, I discuss all that kind of stuff. We all go there, we all have fun, so make sure you guys go join that. I know a lot of you guys in that Discord have been getting out of the comfort zone recently, and that's exactly what we like to see. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's it from me. Go out there, have a great week, and most importantly, get out of your comfort zone. I got money to making, you got goals to be chasing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.